guys, it's Abigail, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing chocolate mug cake. The things you will need are a mug, 3 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of flour, 3 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and a splash of vanilla. Start by combining all your dry ingredients, your sugar, your flour, your cocoa powder, your baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Then mix until combined. Now add your oil, your milk, and you can use any milk that you want, and a little bit of vanilla extract. I use around a 4th teaspoon. Then mix it all up until combined. It should look very smooth. Now take your batter and put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. And just wait. Now be careful when taking it out of the microwave because it will be hot, so ask an adult for help if you need it. And you're done!